VMware by Broadcom. Let's quickly talk about what Hock Tan did during the keynote at VMware Explore 2024 in Las Vegas. He basically demolished the public cloud concept as not working for most enterprises. He calls out through his 3 C's, cost, complexity, and compliance, which are the main reasons why companies are moving back from the public cloud into the private cloud scenario, and that from his point of view, VMware is the only one who has the proper solution for that. When we dig into that a bit deeper is like when the initial enthusiasm about cloud computing kind of actually came to a halt in the last couple of years, companies figured out that there is certain workloads which certainly make sense in the public cloud, but clearly there is a lot of workload which also makes sense in the on-prem scenario, because running it in the public cloud can be quite complex and can be a compliance nightmare, and in the end the cost is going to be in many cases much higher. On the other side, if you have environments where you have workloads which are highly dynamic, scaling up and scaling down, most likely the public cloud is going to be the option. The more interesting fact, which most people didn't get into that, he actually really gave a full solution package for that, because he said it's like, look, the public cloud in itself is not necessarily bad, but we give you the solution which allows you to run your workloads in each one of them at a very, very easy motion. And that's where he said it's like you can run VCF as an on-prem scenario, you can have the same at the cloud service providers, you can have it as a hyperscaler or as a managed service. So no matter to which direction you decide as a company, with VCF you're basically best set up to consume the infrastructure. What is your opinion about this? Are you moving out of the public cloud? Are you utilizing this to move off the VMware track, or are you going to invest more into the VMware track? Write it down in the comments. Let's have an open discussion about that. Looking forward to your comments. See you soon.